Most couples don't lose their relationship, they lose their friendship. You can be living together, talking every day, and still feel like you don't actually know each other anymore. And that's where the distance comes in. So in this video, I'm going to give you 10 questions that rebuild that emotional connection and actually help you feel close again. Hi, I'm Margarita Kogan, a licensed couples therapist, and I'm here to give you the tips, tricks, and tools that you need to keep your relationship great. What I see all the time with couples is this. It's not that they don't care about each other. It's that their conversations have become logistical. What time is that thing? Did you do this? We need to figure this out. And over time, you stop asking the kinds of questions that actually help you understand your partner and their inner world. That's the piece that creates the closeness. Not more talking, better knowing. So I want you to think of these questions as a way back into each other, not an interrogation, not a checklist, just openings. So you don't need to ask all of these questions at once because that becomes logistical. But I do want you to just pick one and actually listen. For example, what's been on your mind lately that I might not know about? Or what's been stressing you out recently? Is there something that you're looking forward to right now? What's been feeling heavy for you? Is there anything that you've been needing from me that you haven't said? What's been giving you energy lately? And where have you felt most disconnected from me? What's one thing you wish we did more together? What's been bringing you joy that I might be missing? And what's something small that would make you feel more loved this week? Those are the perfect 10 questions to start with to get to know your partner better. If you actually slow down and sit with these, you'll notice something. You're not just exchanging information. You're actually starting to feel each other again. And that's what most couples are missing. Here's why couples don't do this. Sometimes it feels just too simple, or you assume that you already know these things. But the truth is, your partner is changing all of the time. And if you're not updating your understanding of them, you start living next to a version of them that doesn't exist anymore. That's where disconnection builds. So here's how to actually use this. Please don't ask all 10 questions at once. Just pick one, maybe two, and ask it when you're not distracted. Don't turn it into something that you're fixing, defending, or solving. Just try to really understand. And that's it. Because closeness isn't built on big conversations. It's built in the small moments where someone feels seen. And if you're watching this and realizing, yeah, we've drifted more than I thought, that's actually the moment most couples get stuck. Not because they don't care, but because they don't know where the disconnection really is. And that's why I use the relationship checkup with all of my couples. It shows you exactly where you're missing each other, where the friendship has weakened, and what to focus on first. If you want that kind of clarity, I linked it below. Start with one question tonight. See where it goes. You might be surprised at how quickly things change. And watch for my next video where we talk about resentment and how it's actually not killing your relationship and a great place to start repairing.